Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we are unboxing my fourth and probably final sub box from Notiq. This is the Fashion and Ink stationery subscription. I don't know how many people knew that she had this, because I don't see a whole lot of people unboxing it online, to be perfectly honest with you. So I paid for a year in advance. This is my fourth box. There is something else that came with it that I have moved off to the side. It will be the last thing that we look at. So part of the box is the actual box. This is meant to be a keepsake box. So we've got London, like at Christmas, you can see all the decorations and stuff. And the design goes all the way around. It's very pretty, very bright red. No, muted bright red, but bright red. So, like I said, the box is part of it, and mine came ripped, which I'm not happy about, so I'm hoping I can like tape it from the other side, and that it will be okay. So let's see what else we got. Alright, so this card tells me what's in here, but then the other side of it is this really nice print, which you can stick in a frame if you want. Very pretty. I think I have one like this for Paris too. Let's see. Merry Christmas. Dear Lady Pamela, thank you for your gracious support this year. Oh man, I can't read her handwriting. Orders granted us more something to keep adding value to our elegant community. May all your elegant dreams come true. May you become more than you imagine. I sincerely appreciate you. Warmly, VJ Founder. So, what I have figured out online and by going to Go Wild is people generally love Notiq. And if you don't love the products, you still love VJ because she's awesome. So, that's a very nice card. Okay, let's see. What do we get next? So, we have these. I need to find a way to reorganize this table to where I can move the box off to the side and it's not constantly in our way. But at the moment, I don't have a way to remedy that. Oh my. Come out. Alright, so we've got wax seals and a pen. We can see that. I'm just wondering if these are note cards or postcards. And honestly, I'm just going to rip this because I have a card. I have a box for all of her note cards and stuff. So they're going to end up in there anyway. Okay, so we've got 2 wax seals with sticky on the back, 3M. Those are pretty. They've got little roses and they shimmer. Those are nice. And then we've got a little red pen. She's always giving you little, like, writing implements. And these are postcards. So that's the front of the box. And then we've got this one for Paris. And this looks like Greece. And this is New York. Very cool. If you don't want to use them as postcards, you could always just stick them in little frames or on a pegboard or something if you just want to look at them. Let's see. Next up, these are definitely cards. Must be cards. Huge packaging. Maybe they're not cards. They look like cards. Don't these look like cards? These look like cards, right? Or am I crazy? Awfully thick. Alright, let's see. Oh, little gift bags. Isn't that cute? Those open up pretty easy. Decent size. Little tag. And then we've got little cards. Same as the other one. And then I've got 2 envelopes here. Did I miss an envelope? That seems odd. there would be 4 cards and 2 envelopes, but there's only 2 bags, so I guess that makes sense. So I guess you would just pick which ones you want to use, or maybe do 2 per bag. Maybe just make the art the gift. It's just mini versions of the same ones. They're cute. This is nice. Wonder if I'm gifting anything this small this year, because that would be cool. Alright, I'm going to put these envelopes and cards in one of these bags so they don't get lost. Okay, what do we got next? We have some paper clips. I don't really need to open those, right? They're paper clips. They're the Notiq logo. And now I think we've got larger Christmas cards. Now, I know you all can see this bag, and I know you know what that bag means. Okay, so we've got a red card and a black card and 2 envelopes. They're like pearlescent, which is neat. And they're blank. Oh, maybe you could put those little, you can like put something in here, so you could do like a gift card, or you could put one of those little art cards in there. And then this one does not have that. It's the same one BJ sent to everybody in the top of the sub box. That's neat. So this would be good for like a gift card, or if you want to do, like I said, put one of those little art cards there. That's cute. You can always use more Christmas cards. Okay. Now, should we open what's in this bag, or should we wait? Because there's something else in here too. And there's the thing I'm hiding. Alright, let's open it. So are the Notiq dust bags. And this is the large pouch. Got a little tassel and a wrist strap and styrofoam and a very nice pouch. It's so hard to show you guys things. Alright, it's got the Notiq tag in the front, symbol, well, inside it, symbol in the front. There are no pockets in here. It's just a nice big pouch. It said on here what it's called, but I don't want to get it wrong. Quilted Luxe pouch is what it's called. That is very nice. Excellent for the holidays. My work Christmas party is coming up, and I have a red suit, brand new suit, and a very sparkly tank that goes under it. This will go nicely. Okay, and now, because it's VJ, and you know, everybody's got to self-promote, so you get a Target reusable bag. I have so many of these. And then you get a weekly and monthly planning calendar from her Notiq for Blue Sky line, which is currently available at Target. There's other ones, not just this one, but this is very nice. It has 2025 in gold under there. Planning schedule, this planner belongs to, and you can put in your contacts, your yearly goals. You've got calendar for 2025 and 2026. Contacts, important dates. And then it starts in October of this year. Okay, I guess you could have started it when it launched. December, and now here's January. Word of the month planning, and it's a horizontal. And then February. That's very nice. Gonna be honest though, I'm not going to use this. There's holidays in the back, which is nice. There's a bunch of note paper in the back, and it does take you all the way through December of 2025. Recycling guide. anything else there that I didn't see? No, I'm just seeing stuff. Alright, so this is nice, but I'm honestly not going to use this. So if you would like this, drop a comment down below. First come, first gets. There's only one. And then message me on Instagram because I will need your address. Okay, and it will stay nice and safe in this box until someone claims it. Alright, let's see. Alright, so as a gift to the yearly subscribers, VJ also put in an additional bonus pouch set with a retail value of $95, which is very nice. Here's our dust bag. I love the dust bags. I really do just love the dust bags. They're so soft. So there's this pouch, which I actually have in black too, because Elise gifted that to me. And there's a pocket in the back. On both sides, actually, there's a pocket. And it opens pretty wide. And it's got a decent bottom, so you can fit a lot of stuff in here. And then there's the smaller pouch, which also has 2 pockets and opens up pretty well. So you could use these for a variety of things. Probably especially good for travel or weekends. You know, put makeup in one, skincare in another, cords or something. Who knows? Whatever you can dream up. But that was a very nice surprise. I mean, the whole thing's a surprise. You don't know what you're getting ahead of time, but the extra gift was very, very nice. Super nice. Love VJ. Thanks for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Share it with a couple of your friends. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any more videos. And I'll see you in the next one.